Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so payments work smoothly. Open settings and update iOS if needed because Wallet needs current software. Once done, sign into iCloud and ensure Face ID or a passcode is set. This secures transactions. Now open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card. Follow the on-screen camera scan or enter details manually. Make sure your bank supports Apple Pay. If prompted, accept terms to activate the card. You now add and verify the card so it's ready to use. Position your card within the frame to scan. If scanning fails, type the number, expiration, and CVV. Next, complete the bank's verification, usually an SMS code, a push to the bank app, or a phone call, because Apple requires authorization for security. Once verified, set this card as your default in Wallet if you prefer, and enable Express Transit for faster public transport payments where supported. You finish by actually using Apple Pay and knowing what to do if it fails. At a terminal, double-click the side button, Authenticate with Face ID, then hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done and a check mark. That confirms payment. For apps and websites, choose Apple Pay and confirm with Face ID or your passcode. If a transaction is declined, restart your iPhone, verify card status in Wallet, and contact your bank or Apple support if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.